Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 鶏とさつまいもの炊き込みご飯. Takikomi Gohan is like Japanese version of paella. Today, I'm cooking some rice with chicken, sweet potato, and shimeji mushrooms. It's very easy to make, but hearty, nutritious, and most importantly, delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Takikomi Gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice. Sweet potato, it's about 300 grams. Some shimeji mushroom. 1 chicken thigh. 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin and soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion to garnish. At first, I'm going to rinse rice. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water, including all these liquid seasonings. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Soy sauce, sake, and mirin into the measuring cup. Fill it up to 2 cups. Then add to the pot. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's finish all the cutting. Green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, into half, put them together. Let's make thin slices. I'm going to use this after the rice is cooked, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Shimeji mushrooms. Cut the bottom off. And just break into pieces. I'm going to use the sweet potato with the skin on to enjoy the beautiful color, so I washed it well. Cut both ends off. Cut it into half long way. Into half again. Then cut into small pieces. It's like small bite-sized pieces. and chicken. You can make the dish with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Then into small bite-sized pieces. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, chicken, sweet potato, and shimeji mushrooms. You don't need to mix it. Put the lid on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. You don't want to lose the steam. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's add the green onion. You can sprinkle it after you serve in the rice bowl, but I prefer to mix it in. Mix and fluff the rice. Serve in the rice bowl. And 鶏とさつまいもの炊き込みご飯 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's so soft and fluffy. The rice soaked up all the umami of the chicken and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とさつまいもの炊き込みご飯 goes here. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about oden for the main? Oden is soupy dish, so let's pass the soup. Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for one of the side dishes. And you can forget about the other one because the meal already contains a lot of vegetables. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!